Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I decorated my graduation cap. This is what the baby looks like. If you want to continue to watch my video, then wait a few seconds and see how I did this. Okay, so I have these rhinestone lines that I bought from Michael's, and what I want to do is line them along the edges of my graduation cap. I'm cutting what hangs off of those diamonds so that it won't look bad when I tape that on my graduation cap. As you can see, I'm cutting it, making sure that everything will fit right. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do was put the string of diamonds around my whole grad cap, but later on you will see I made a mistake in just putting these down. I do go over with a hot glue gun and make sure that these lines stay put. Here I am with the hot glue gun, making sure that every line has this hot glue so that they won't move around like they did before. Now the next thing I did was put the words on my cap. I didn't glue them down, but you see me doing that now. I wanted to see how the words look like beforehand, and that's what I did. I take the little sticker off the foam letter and put the hot glue down so they won't move. I did put from Spartan to Gator because I'm a Gator now. I'm going to SF State, and my high school mascot is a Spartan, so from Spartan to Gator. SF State's mascot is a Gator, so yeah, I'm officially a Gator, and I had to put that on my cap because I didn't have anything else to put, and I kind of like what it says. So just make sure that on each foam letter you take the sticker off that it has, and you replace that sticker and glue with the hot glue gun glue so that it could just stay in place, because you don't want to make the mistake of just taking the paper off the foam letter and just taping it on, because it really won't stay. And if you throw your cap around or wear it that day, the letters might fall off, and you do not want that to happen. So I had to use two eyes for the T. As you can see, it looks kind of different just because I couldn't find any more silver T's, but it worked out. You can't even tell. I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming. So I wanted to add another line to my cap. I wanted to add another line of diamonds just so it can stand out. I wanted to put it on that left side and then on the bottom right side like I am doing right now, and it just gives my cap a little more sparkle. And I'm going in with these blue flowers that I found, and I'm just gluing them down to each corner except the bottom one, because I want that part to be big. Instead of putting a bow, I wanted to put flowers. So here I am cutting that white flower, and I'm about to glue that down. I cut it because I don't want it to stick out and fall off, so I had to make sure that it didn't. Once I glue that big flower down, I wanted it to stand out even more, so I put 2 of the blue flowers on each side of the flower, and that would just make it stand out even more. To further decorate my cap, I wanted to use these pink and silver flowers that I also have that look similar to the blue ones, and I taped it to each of the sides from the corners, of my cap. So here I am gluing them down. I have the pink one and a silver one so that I can give my cap more of a decorated feel. Now, the most time-consuming part of decorating this cap was putting the diamonds and pearls down on my cap. Since the diamonds are small, it's kind of hard to use my finger and glue it, but it takes patience and it takes time. So here I am spreading out each little diamond and pearl with the hot glue gun, making sure that they stay, making sure that they look nice and they're all spread out nicely.
I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming.
After I'm done gluing all the diamonds and pearls, I go in to the bottom of the cap and I put down the 2 flowers just so that it can stand out even more. You have come to the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. This is what my cap looked like for my graduation. If you guys like this DIY, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!